Is cracking my knuckles a bad idea? Will I get arthritis? Well, Henry, I can't promise if you're gonna get arthritis or not. But what I can tell you is that medical research has looked into the science of cracking knuckles. And that sound that you hear is actually just nitrogen bubbles popping in your synovial fluid. Synovial fluid is the stuff that lubricates your joints. And when you hear that cracking, you think that's a bad thing, that your bones breaking or anything like that. That's not really the case. It's these completely harmless nitrogen bubbles. And there's been really decent evidence that shows it does not lead to arthritis. And unless it's causing you some kind of pain or discomfort, it's usually and generally pretty harmless. If it makes you feel better, psychologically speaking, crack away. And as long as you're not bothering anybody, that's fine.